In the previous step, we have compared the newly generated project with the target project and merged changes from the specification and new handlers and handler test cases into the target project for both market command and the market query. Before we make any change in the service code, we need to define the portal event. This portal event is a Vero event or schema, so that we can send whenever there's a request coming from the client, we can generate event in our handler and send the event to the Kafka so that we can process the event to generate projections on the query side for query, let's say query the arrow by arrow code, or just query the arrow by the host to get a list of arrows. So let's see how we create those events. This is the light portal event folder. Within this project, we have SRC main Avero. This is all the event definition, and you can see we define the arrow created event. This is a generic header for the event, and this is the event name. And this is the key ID. The key ID basically, if the key ID is 0, meaning this is a go to the error store. If a key ID is 1, go to the host store. We don't need a 2 anymore. So with that meaning, like for this event, we have two different projections. One with the key value pair, like the arrow code mapped to the arrow itself, and the other is a host map a list of arrow code. This is one field called host and arrow code. Those two are the key value, which meaning everything else will be part of the JSON value saved as a string. The timestamp is standard, so for every event we have a timestamp. If you take a look at the delete, it's very similar. You have the event name, you have the generic header, and you have KID, host, arrow code, as well as a timestamp. The update is very similar like create. You have this event name, and KID, host, arrow code, value, and timestamp. So once we have those three events created, normally you just copy from other events and you make some modification. You need to add those three events into this compile.sh. You can see this is a section we added this arrow created event, arrow update event, and arrow delete event. So this is for the generation. And after the Java code is generated, we need to move to generate the Java code to the target location. Will be in this package java /net light API /portal /market. I've already run the compile command, so you can see the generated code is already located here. It's arrow create event and the arrow delete event. So let's go to the folder to run the compile. We are in this folder. I just run the compile. So this is the command. You run the compile to convert a Vero file to Java code. I'm not going to run this anymore because it takes at least 30 seconds. But you can just use this to run. Once the code is generated, you need to compile this portal event. So we go to this folder, we just maven clean install to compile this maven clean install. This will compile all the event, including the newly generated event, into a jar file, so that this jar file can be shared with other services and components. That's pretty much like for the event handling. The next step, we are going to update the business logic in the newly generated handler so that we can leverage the event to push the event into Kafka topic. Thank you. Bye.